The next adaptation is adaptation based on body coverings. Okay, now animals, they have different types of body coverings. Okay, we have seen different type of animals, and different animals have different body coverings, such as shell and fur. Now what do these body coverings do? These body coverings help or protect the or help the animals to protect themselves from heat, cold and other hostile natural conditions. Okay, so animals, they have different types of body coverings such as shell and fur, which help them to protect themselves from the heat, cold and other hostile natural conditions, to adapt themselves to the specific surrounding. Okay, so they live in heat, they might be cold, there might be other hostile natural condition. So how will they survive in such natural conditions? So to adapt to such surroundings, to adapt to such natural conditions, they have specific body coverings. Okay, so that helps them to protect themselves against these natural conditions. For examples, fish and reptiles. Now fish and reptiles, they have scales on their body. Okay, fish and reptiles, they have scales on their bodies which prevent water from entering the body, because they are aquatic, they live in water, right? So it should prevent water from entering their bodies, therefore this scale helps them. Okay, then next, if we see snails and tortoise, they have shells. Okay, so what is shell? It is a hard outer covering present on the body that protects the soft bodies of animals such as snail and tortoise. Okay, if you have seen snail and tortoise closely, their bodies are very soft. Okay, therefore they need a hard outer covering which can protect their soft bodies. So shell is the hard outer covering present on such animals which protect them, or which protect the soft bodies of such animals. Okay, then next, fur and wool. So sheep and Arctic fox. Okay, these animals, these type of animals, they have fur and wool on their body. It is a thick outer covering that protects animals like sheep and the Arctic fox from extreme cold and gives them warmth. So usually you'll find sheep and Arctic fox in cold environment, right? They live in cold environment, so they need warmth. And who gives this warmth? The thick outer covering, which is fur or wool. Okay, this fur and wool, the outer thick covering, protects these animals from the extreme cold environment or conditions. Okay, now birds. We have seen birds. Yes, birds have feathers. Okay, so what are feathers? They are light in weight, and feathers help the birds not only to fly but also to keep their body warm. Okay, so feathers help the birds not only to fly but also to keep their body warm. These colorful feathers also help in camouflaging. Camouflaging means to protect themselves from their predators. Okay, so that they can protect themselves from the predators, the other animals that can attack them. So for camouflaging, these feathers are helpful, and also for mating and defense. Okay.